In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Forms to generate new leads. We'll start by opening your browser and going to Google Forms. If you're not already signed into your Google account, go ahead and log in so you can save your work. On the main Forms page, look near the top for the template gallery. This is a quick way to jumpstart a form with sensible questions already in place, which helps you get a lead capture form live in minutes. From the gallery, choose the event registration template. Even if you're not hosting an event, this template is great for lead generation because it typically includes fields like name, email address, and a few qualifying questions. It gives you a professional structure right away, and you can always tweak the text later to match your offer or campaign. Before sharing, make sure the form title and description clearly explain your offer and what happens next. Clarity builds trust and improves conversion rates. With the template open, you're ready to make it public. Look to the upper right of the screen and click Publish. Depending on your version, this may appear as Send. Either option gets your form ready to share. A share window will appear with several choices. Select the link option, then click Copy Responder Link at the top right. That copies a direct URL that anyone can use to fill out your form. Now, share that link wherever your audience is. You can drop it into an email newsletter, add it to your social profiles, include it in a chat reply, or place it behind a call to action button on your website. The simpler the path to the form, the more responses you'll gather. As soon as people start submitting, head back to your form and open the Responses tab. This is where you can see individual entries as they come in. To make tracking easier over time, click the small spreadsheet icon to link responses to Google Sheets. When prompted, choose Create a new spreadsheet so your data has a dedicated home, then click Create. Google Forms will generate a sheet and start sending every new response there automatically. That's it. You've built a lead capture form, published it, shared the responder link, and connected it to a spreadsheet for organized follow-up. From here, you can sort and filter your leads, flag the most promising ones, and keep your outreach consistent and timely. Thanks for watching, and happy lead generation.